And liftoff of Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich, continuing a legacy of ocean observation and international collaboration to benefit all humanity.
All right. Look for it. Oh, there it is.
Where?
Right there. Just above the... Right there. See?
No. Oh, I see it. That's so cool! It's like glowing.
It's a lot of fire.
Are you gonna go tell them?
You can run over and tell them if you want. Not everybody cares. The vehicle is supersonic, so it went faster than sound.